Hi, to change keyboard language on your POCO F6, as a first step, let's trigger keyboard. I'm just gonna tap here, and this is my keyboard. This is Gboard, by the way. Now you'll need to tap on this settings icon, and from this menu, select the languages tab. And to add new language, you will need to select this option and then choose any language from the list. For example, let's add Czech. Here we can select another style like that, and also enable this multilingual typing, so automatically display word suggestions while you type with. And here you can see the language. And after that, tap the done button, and this is how your keyboard will look now. So to save the changes, it is enough to simply go back, and now let's trigger keyboard once more. And to switch to another language, you just need to tap this globe icon, and we just switched language. Let's do it one more time, and yeah, it's working. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.